everyone, this is Lazar Bicolano, Dream Home Finder in Pampanga, and we have another brand new house for sale. And this one's located here at Enclave Subdivision along Phil ang Friendship Korean Town Highway. So over here, you have agad a 3-vehicle carport, fully covered. You have your automated gates, and also corner yung pinaka house. So I'll go sa pinaka main door or gate. Ayan. You have your beautiful landscape over here. And then it's around 5 p.m. na nang sinut namin itong house. And additional information is this is facing southeast. So modern contemporary yung pinaka-theme ng bahay, pero more of wood yung accents niya sa facade. Once we get inside, and also may pagka-tropical vibe once we get inside. So, tara, pasukin na natin. Ayan, pedestrian gate. Ang layo niya sa pinaka-carport nyo, no? Kasi ang laki ng bahay. Also, sits at a huge lot size. So, pagpasok natin ng pedestrian gate, I'll go on this corner kasi ito yung access natin from your carport. You have your landscape na over here. I really love the golden hour. So, as you can see dito, naka-wooden na. Dito lakarin ko na lang. Ito yung pinaka-carport natin. You have your high ceiling carport, and kahit sa carport natin, may mga wooden accent. This one, LED light that continues flowing hanggang sa pinaka-flooring. So, talagang bagong-bago pa yung bahay. Though, finish na lang naman nila yung mga sa carport. Yun nga daw, baka pagka-release ng... Thank you, Mr. K. Pagka-release ng video nito, tapos na yung garahe, wala nang kalat. Anyway, this door leads to your main house. Kumbaga, direct access siya kapag nag-park kayo dito sa carport nyo. And also, another corner or access is from here. This one naman is your access going to your swimming pool, service area, as well as yung pila helper natin. So, yun siya. Laki, no? Nagpapalit kami ng position ni Mr. K para makita nyo na talagang 3-vehicle carport yung kasya dito. So, yeah, automated gate. Ang ganda. And air flows lang. I also like the subdivision. Very close to Clark, groceries, schools, malls. Yan, balik tayo. You will love this side of the property naman. Another landscape. Ang ganda ng mga palms na to. And also, para madiligan nyo sila, mayroon ng gripo dito. All the way dito yan. So, imagine, ito na yung pinaka-welcome area nyo, as well as yung pwede get together with your friends or classmate niyang mga anak nyo. But the other thing is, behind this huge sliding door na teaser lang to. I wanna show you this kapag nasa loob na tayo. Yan. That's a surprise para abangan nyo or tapusin nyo yung video. Samahan nyo akong i-explore. And one thing I want to highlight is yung this is your porch before we enter your main door. Just look how beautiful and beautifully art yung canopy ng main door nyo. And also, it looks like parang continuous flowing yung wood na yan. That's real wood. Kagaya yan ang nasa door nyo, itong accent na to. So, totoo yan. Ang ganda niya, para siyang yung ship kasi yung nasa ilalim ng ship. Ang ganda niya sa personal. This is all wood. And the pinaka-main door natin, as you can see, it's very huge, above standard. At digital lock na rin para makapasok tayo sa main door. Now, let's explore what's inside. Welcome to your dream home. Parang ang pakit ko doon. Pivot door to, pero hindi naman siya mabigat. Ayan. Dahan-dahan lang tayo. So, laki. Ang ganda. Okay, right here is your main staircase going to your second floor. And pagpasok natin, yung feeling ng, ito yung na-realize ko pagpasok or nakikita ko pagpasok ko kanina nung medyo may liwanag pa. Para siyang yung perspective pa rin ng bahay. Kumbaga yung plano pa lang pag pumasok kayo. Even sa picture or pag nirelease namin siguro tong video na to, ganun yung makikita nyo. That's for me. Sana yun din yung ma-realize. Ay, makita nyo pala. Okay. Start on the side. Ito. Ang taas naman ng door na to. Ito yung... Wow, ang laki. Wow, ang laki. This is your powder room. This spacious. Smart toilet. Ito yung mga switches niya. Yung buong wall nakasalamin and you have your large sink. Very slick design of faucet. A beautiful light fixture. Tapos another door leads to your guest room. Or pwede din sa kapag may mga seniors na tayong kasama. And this room is facing the carport. Ayan, may window siya dito. And entertainment wall over here, as you can see, you have a sliding door for your cabinet. Ito shelving. Yan may mga hangiran ng clothes. This size, naka-queen size for your bed frame. Confirm namin kung may kasama na siyang mattress kasi this builder, gano'n naman siya mag-deliver ng mga house for sale niya. Medyo furnished na siya. Konti na lang yung idadagdag nyo kapag lumipat kayo dito sa house na to. Tapos itong guest room natin, which is good kasi meron siyang sariling toilet and bath. And also, a spacious shower area, your toilet, and your sink with mirror namin as well. Ano kaya to? Parang this side pwede pang mag-add ng study area. Ang accessible nito. And also, this corner, pwede siguro yung mga shoe for the shelves for the shoe or shoe cabinet. That's fine. And now this door naman leads to your carport. 3-vehicle carport again from my intro kanina. And as you can see, may mga CCTV din sa common areas natin. Ito yung convenience sa mga kung kayo yung nagdadrive ng sarili nyo sasakyan. Pasok agad kayo. And good thing, hindi kayo uuulanan. Now over here, this is our main living room. A spacious living room and also double height ceiling siya. And so open below siya dito. Mga na-notice ako, siksik na ako. A beautiful air-conditioned unit for the whole ground floor. So na-maximize, isa-isahin ko na na-maximize kasi yung pinakailalim ng staircase natin. May mga storage na kayo dito, additional for the shoes or yung mga collectibles talagang shoes. So dito sila. Sa likod, another... kasha ako! Wow, ang taas! Another storage ng mga luggages or mga cleaning materials na malalaki. Laki, no? As well as your sofa set, 3-seater, eto 4-seater. Tapos you have this large wooden center table with resin. And also matches lang yung color na yan dito. Ito yung talagang nag-add ng nag-add ng pinaka-tropical vibe for the house. And then, na-complement niya yung mga wooden accents ng buong bahay. Ganda ng combination ng wood and also ng parang navy blue or ocean blue na color. Okay? From your living room, let's move to your dining area naman. Look at your dining area. It's very elegant, warm, and also a spacious area also kasi it can cater 10 people na kumakain, nag-uusap, nagse-celebrate, nag-share ng mga nangyari sa kanila for the day. Diba? Over here, you have a buffet table pa as well as may mga drawers na siya to store your or ma-access yung mga kailangan for the kapag kumakain. Ito ang ganda ng accent na to. Yung buong wall. Yun yung nakalagay. And then over here, And then kung napapansin nyo rin, kahit yung mga ceiling natin, may mga wood accents din. Kagaya ng canopy sa main entrance, ganun din yung wood na ginamit for that. Kaya mapapansin nyo, separate yung per area. That's our dining, and look at your kitchen naman. Now, for your formal kitchen, may bata pang pwede maglaro. Ganon kalaki. Let's start over here. You have your breakfast nook, may mga stool na siyang included. Look at your countertop. May mga countertop na pwedeng humiga. Look at that. Ganon ka-spacious. Like the design. Yan, may mga drop lights din. And L-shaped din yung mga overhead cabinets. Ganda ng mga ganito. Oh, hydraulics pa, so hindi mo mabagsak. Countertop. Large sink. Very large sink. Okay. Dito naman, 5-burner stove with, ito pull out. Hindi siya pull out. So, okay, with range hood na rin. Ito, mga kasama ng mga basic appliances. Lahat sila Elba, yung brand. Your 2-door fridge. Ang luwag, no? Parang kung gusto nyo mag-add pa ng island countertop dito, pwedeng-pwede pa. Ganun ka-spacious. Then siguro usog naman tayo ng konti. Oh. Ito leads to your auxiliary kitchen. Pati na rin yung stock room. Itong sliding door na to. So, di pa siya tapos. Ito na naman si Sasa. Hindi pa talaga totally tapos yung bahay. Pero pag na-release namin to, tapos na to. Talaga. Dirty kitchen, tapos may isang door ulit. Ay, nabot na tayo ng gabi. So, isang door ulit that leads or direct access from your carport again and going to your swimming pool. At makikita nyo na rin dito, meron tayong tank ng water and then yung pump ng pool na dito. And going back sa pinaka-main area natin. Another thing, nasabi ko mamaya ko papakita, it's over here. So, sa dining area nyo, may direct access yung swimming pool. So, this is your swimming pool. Just an enough size for a family to enjoy. Sakto yung pagka-release ng bahay na to, yung panahon ngayon, pa-summer na rin, may enjoy nyo kung makakalipat kayo agad sa bahay na to. So, you have your swimming pool. Over here, merong another door for your helper as well as yung toilet and bathroom. Over here. And also may outdoor shower na rin. Laki ng bahay, no? Para tayong umiikot-ikot lang. Ito, kay helper natin. Dito na siya makiki-shower. Tapos another door pa. Ito naman yung toilet. So, separate yung shower and toilet. Para nga naman pag may nagsi-swimming, may nakaka-shower pa. May nakaka-toilet din sa labas. Now, sa pinaka-highlight ng swimming pool nyo, kasi talagang napag-isipan yung lahat ng area. Oo nga naman, pag may nagsuswimming, or kapag may event kayo, syempre may konting mga juice yan. Diba, mga inumin na juice, or mga cocktail drinks na lang, or syempre pag kids, mga juice. Pag adult na, syempre doon tayo sa alcoholic beverage. So, ang ganda nang naisip nilang concept na to, na meron kang bar dito sa labas. Display mo lang doon yung mga collections nyo ng drinks. And as the side, ito another huge sliding door. And don't worry, hindi siya mabigat. Okay, magaan lang naman siya. Pero ang ganda ng pagkagawa niya kasi wala siyang putol. So it's very clean. And also, it doubles as a mirror na rin. So, ang ganda. And one thing I noticed din, tignan nyo yung flow ng tiles. I mean, ng flooring kahit may sliding door. Hindi siya makakadapa. Okay? Now, this side, ito, kung gusto nyo ng dining experience, pero it feels like outdoor, dito kayo mag-celebrate or dito na lang kayo nagsasama-sama. Kasi ito yung pwedeng isara nyo kasi meron siyang sariling aircon as well as spacious pa rin siya. You have your 10-seater dining table. Wooden din, tapos ulihiya yung mga sa chairs niya. And sa wall accents, tiles here. And then sa middle naman yung Theo stone. Ang ganda nito. Usong-uso talaga tong wall accent na ganito. It's more of aesthetic. At the same time, nagmamatch siya sa every style na pinipili ng mga builder natin. Okay? Diba? Kaya sabi ko kanina, it's a mix of tropical then once we get inside. Kasi look, you have your beautiful chandelier. Kasi imagine, lahat kayo, lalo pag holidays, kasyang-kasya kayo sa living room, dito may separate family din, so close nyo lang, tapos naka-aircon. Pero naririnig nyo pa rin yung swimming pool. Talagang inviting yung swimming pool nyo. Kung pwede lang. Balik ulit tayo sa loob. Ayan, what do you think? Ang laki, no? Hindi ako, nag-e-enjoy ako pag talagang ang laki ng bahay, as well as yung well thought yung per area. It's good for the buyer kasi mga future homeowners natin. Ayan, now, it's time to, for those who haven't subscribed yet, you can follow us on all our social media page. That's Next Level Properties.